Got an easy way here to improve the water pressure on your shower head. What you're going to want to do, all these shower heads inside the head here in the neck have a plastic piece that will basically be a restrictor and plug up that passageway for the water going through. On this one, it's that blue plastic stuff. You basically want all the blue plastic stuff out of there. So there's a rubber ring typically here. You need to keep that, so don't lose that. But all this other stuff in here, this blue, you want to just grab it and get it out. There's some little edges there that you can get a hold of, some needle nose pliers like this. Just pull it out. And this is your restrictor. This is just making the water bounce through these tiny holes, and it's plugging up your flow that needs to go straight through. So that's it. I'm going to remove that guy, put that back, put the rest of my pieces back. And now your flow going through your shower head is going to be as much pressure as you can get through the line, and you don't have anything blocking you. That's it. Hope that helps. Have a great day.